Hi, today we are making Vietnamese egg fried rice, a quick and budget-friendly meal that turns cold rice into something savory, fluffy, and satisfying. This recipe makes 2 servings and takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. Let's start with the ingredients: 3 cups of cold cooked jasmine rice. Cold rice is drier and firmer, so it fries into separate fluffy grains instead of turning mushy. 2 large eggs give the rice richness, color, and soft golden pieces in every bite. 2 tablespoons of neutral oil help the eggs set softly and let the rice fry without sticking. 2 scallions bring freshness, with the white parts adding aroma and the green parts finishing the rice. 2 cloves of garlic add a fast savory base, and because they are minced, their flavor spreads through the whole pan. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce gives the fried rice its deep Vietnamese savory character. 1 teaspoon of soy sauce adds color and roundness without overpowering the fish sauce. 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper gives a gentle heat and a classic fried rice aroma. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Fluff 3 cups of cold cooked jasmine rice with your fingers or a spoon, breaking up every clump so the grains can fry evenly. Slice 2 scallions thinly, and keep the white parts separate from the green parts. The whites will cook first for aroma, and the greens will stay fresh at the end. Mince 2 cloves of garlic finely. Small pieces cook quickly, so they perfume the oil without staying raw in the rice. Crack 2 large eggs into a bowl and beat them until the yolks and whites are fully combined. This gives you soft, even pieces of egg later. In a small bowl, stir together 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Having the sauce ready keeps the frying fast. Heat a wok or large skillet over medium-high heat for 1 minute. Add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil and swirl it for 15 seconds so the hot surface is evenly coated. Add the beaten eggs and fry for 45 seconds, stirring gently until they are softly set. Break them into small pieces, then transfer the egg to a bowl. Add the remaining 1 tablespoon of neutral oil to the same pan. Add the scallion whites and minced garlic, and fry for 30 seconds until fragrant but not browned. Add the fluffed cold rice. Press, toss, and stir-fry over medium-high heat for 2 minutes, so the grains warm through and start to separate. Pour the fish sauce mixture around the edges of the hot pan, then toss the rice for 1 minute. This seasons the grains evenly and gives a deeper fried aroma. Return the fried egg pieces to the pan and stir-fry everything together for 1 minute. Now the soft egg mixes through the savory rice without overcooking. Add the scallion greens and toss for 30 seconds, just until they turn bright and fragrant. This keeps the finish fresh. Spread the rice in an even layer and let it fry undisturbed over medium-high heat for 1 minute. That brief pause gives the grains lightly smoky edges. Turn off the heat, let the fried rice rest for 1 minute, then serve it in a bowl. Your quick, budget-friendly Vietnamese egg fried rice is ready to enjoy. And that is the promise delivered: a fast, cheap, Vietnamese egg fried rice with fluffy grains, soft egg, and big savory flavor. Serve it hot and enjoy it right away. If you liked this recipe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell for more easy meals.